Welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today, I'm going to make simple and easy broccoli cheddar soup. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Butter, 4 tablespoons. Onion, chopped, 1 small onion. Garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon. All-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons. Vegetable broth, 3 cups. Salt as needed. Black pepper, half teaspoon. Paprika, half teaspoon. Broccoli florets, 3 cups. Carrot, grated, 1 cup. Heavy cream, 2 cups. Cheddar cheese, grated, 1.5 cups. Melt butter in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onion and saute for 3 minutes or cook until softened and light gold. Then add the minced garlic and saute for a minute. Add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix for 2 minutes or until the all-purpose flour begins to turn golden color. Add 3 cups of vegetable broth, broccoli florets, carrots, black pepper, paprika, and salt to taste. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to medium-low and simmer for 15 minutes or until the broccoli and carrots are cooked through. Add heavy cream and cheddar cheese and stir well. Then simmer for 1 minute. Our healthy and tasty broccoli cheddar soup is ready now. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.